We're offering this vehicle at the asking price, or your best offer, OBO. It's important to note that this car is being sold as a whole unit. We are not selling parts separately. This is a rare and unique opportunity to own a cool project or donor car, complete with a full drivetrain. However, please be aware that this vehicle does not come with a title. In addition to this special car, we have an extensive collection of over 200 vintage cars available for sale. Whether you're a collector, a restorer, or just a classic car enthusiast, our inventory has something for everyone. We also carry a wide range of Pontiac parts, perfect for those looking to restore or enhance their vintage Pontiacs. Introducing the classic 1974 Chrysler New Yorker, a superb example of vintage American luxury. This model is equipped with a robust 440 cubic inch engine, featuring a 4-barrel carburetor, offering impressive power and performance. It runs smoothly, drives effortlessly, and stops reliably, ensuring a comfortable driving experience. The car is loaded with features that enhance both convenience and comfort. Enjoy the ease of power windows, power seats, power brakes, and power steering, all designed to make your ride as enjoyable as possible. The windshield is in perfect condition, providing clear visibility and adding to the vehicle's well-maintained appearance. Inside, the interior is in excellent shape for its age. The dashboard is free from any cracks, preserving the classic look of this luxury vehicle. Additionally, the car is equipped with the original factory 8-track player, offering a nostalgic touch that complements its vintage charm. The exterior of the New Yorker features chrome that is in very nice shape, contributing to its timeless appeal. While there is some rust present, it is minimal and doesn't significantly impact the car's overall aesthetic or performance. This classic Chrysler comes with BC registration, making it ready for its new owner to enjoy. If you're looking for a classic car that combines luxury with classic style and performance, this 1974 Chrysler New Yorker is an excellent choice. For more information or to arrange a viewing, please don't hesitate to contact us. This is a fantastic opportunity to own a piece of automotive history with both style and substance. Reach out today to learn more and see this exceptional vehicle for yourself. For sale, a classic 1965 Ford Galaxy 500 convertible, featuring a 352 cubic inch V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. This iconic American car has been parked for a long time and hasn't run in years, but it's been well preserved in a dry building, protecting it from the elements. The exterior body and paint are in surprisingly good condition, considering the age of the vehicle. The interior is also in good shape, and the convertible top is intact and functional. However, it's important to note that there is a rust issue affecting the frame, which will require attention from someone with restoration experience. Originally, this Galaxy 500 came equipped with a 390 cubic inch engine, making it a true classic for enthusiasts. This car represents a fantastic opportunity for a restoration project, offering a solid foundation with many original features still in place. Whether you're a seasoned restorer looking for your next project or a classic car enthusiast with a passion for bringing vintage vehicles back to life, this 1965 Ford Galaxy 500 convertible could be the perfect addition to your collection. Don't miss out on this chance to own a piece of automotive history. Contact us today for more information or to schedule a viewing. Reposting this 1967 Thunderbird coupe for sale, now conveniently located in Mississauga for easier viewing. Please review the following details carefully. This Thunderbird is a striking black-on-black model that I bought about 4 years ago. My plan was to restore it with my father, but due to time constraints, I haven't been able to work on it. Recently, I've had to store it away, and with a move on the horizon, I thought it might be a good time to see if there is any interest in this classic car. The car is being sold in its current condition. It does not run, as the previous owner removed the motor. I am also unsure about the condition of the transmission. Despite this, the vehicle includes all trim pieces, chrome, and interior components, which are all present and accounted for. We also have a comprehensive collection of receipts for various parts that were purchased. This Thunderbird is a rare model, making it a unique find for collectors or enthusiasts. If you are genuinely interested in this vehicle, please reach out. I can arrange to have the car brought to my home for a private viewing, but only if you are a serious buyer. The car is now in Mississauga to facilitate easier access for potential buyers. If you would like more information or to schedule a viewing, contact me today. Available now is a classic gem featuring the powerful rocket V8 engine, with a displacement of 394 cubic inches and a robust 330 horsepower. This car is a testament to automotive excellence, with its striking chrome and glass, both of which are in excellent condition. The vehicle has been driven a modest 82,100 miles, showcasing its well-preserved state. The transmission has recently undergone a complete rebuild, ensuring that it operates smoothly and reliably. However, the car does require some attention to reach its full potential. It needs bodywork to address some cosmetic issues. The seats need reupholstering to restore their comfort and appearance, and the carburetor requires adjustment to optimize performance. We are open to considering trades, especially if you have an enduro motorcycle to offer. The price for this classic has been reduced, and we are open to offers, OBO. This is a fantastic opportunity for those who appreciate classic cars and are willing to invest a bit of work to bring this beauty back to its prime condition. If you're interested in this remarkable vehicle or have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. This is a great chance to own a classic with significant potential, and we'd be happy to provide additional details or arrange a viewing. Contact us today to discuss further. Presenting a classic opportunity to own a piece of automotive history, a 1953 Pontiac Pathfinder four-door sedan, now available for $8,000. This vintage gem is equipped with a robust 350 cubic inch engine and a reliable TH400 automatic transmission, combining classic style with modern performance. The 1953 Pontiac Pathfinder stands out with its distinctive design, showcasing the elegance and craftsmanship of mid-century American automobiles. The 350 engine provides dependable power and performance, while the TH400 transmission ensures smooth and efficient shifting, making this car a pleasure to drive. This Pathfinder is priced at $8,000, and we are open to considering trades. So if you have a vehicle or item of interest, feel free to reach out. Whether you're a collector looking to add a classic car to your collection, or an enthusiast searching for a stylish and functional vintage vehicle, this Pontiac offers both charm and practicality. The car has been well maintained and retains its classic appeal, making it a standout choice for anyone who appreciates the timeless design and driving experience of mid-20th century automobiles. If you're interested in exploring this 1953 Pontiac Pathfinder further, or have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us. We'd be happy to provide additional information or arrange a viewing. Don't miss this chance to own a truly special piece of automotive history.